guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing the Nike SB PS8. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. As well as take the time, an opportunity to like, subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike SB PS8. We've got this in the Phantom Black Fossil Monarch colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's US 8.5. And these are some Nike skateboard sneakers right here. These are ones that are properly developed for skateboarding. Memory serves me correctly, there were some skaters wearing these at the 2024 Paris Olympics. Not a specific colorway, exactly because there was an Olympic colorway that went along with this. But these are released during that time, around July 2024, and this is kind of a homage to Sandy Bodecker, who without them there would be no Nike SB. So we'll start with the outsole. So with that outsole, you've got this translucent outsole right there, and you can see the Nike fly plate is just embedded inside. That's there for your responsive lifts. The board midsole, again, this rubber midsole carries all the way from the outsole. And then at the upper, you've got a blend of materials, and it's loads of levers, or you Flyknit as well, technology. You know, there's a big time when the Flyknit was the thing back in like 2014, the 15 era. Had loads of Nike sneakers with Flyknit technology. I mean, it was so breathable. You needed them in your sneakers. You didn't want to spend your feet. So you've got a lot of inspiration from classic Nike sneakers. You can see, like a safari print. That's right there at the toe box, and it's at the back as well. That's your leather hits, but it's like physique of being a running trainer. And you got a nice padded tongue, quick laces, black and blue. I mean, it came with like this. One was black, the other was blue. Change it up. And the lateral side, you've got the Nike swoosh on the medial side, but at the lateral side, you've got that little mini swoosh. I'm a big fan of right there. And right underneath the big swoosh, you've got the Flyknit technology. And nice padded around the ankle support. You've got a foam midsole, not just embedded between like fly plate and the insole of the sneaker. You've got air zoom cushioning, probably one of my favorites. It's great. That helps give responsive feel. It's used in a lot of running sneakers, bicycle sneakers. So it's all right there. Skateboarding really feels as well. As I mentioned before, it's got that training feel to the sneaker. Very lightweight. In fact, it is around 375 grams. Very lightweight. What you need when you're skating. Really cool sneaker as well to look at. Can't wait to try these on.
comes to the fit, guys, even though these are my true to size Nike Fit, I typically get a UK size 7.5. It's still a bit too big. Might be better getting a half size down. There's a bit of space at the 4 foot. Other than that, they feel really good on though. They look cool. Feel that Zoom Air. I love Zoom Air. We've been watching our past videos. And do check it out. We do tons of Zoom Air videos. Feels the same. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.